What's up, guys? So this is a belt. It is made for people who are workers, are prefer to do things their way, like do it yourself. So any kind of workers that use tools, this is made for them. Let me wear it on me. I think the only way to show you what it does is to actually wear it and show it in action. Otherwise, I will not be able to explain it well. So let's see. Okay, let's see. So what's good about this one is that it has magnets all over here, all on all these areas. So when you're working, you are limited in space, like you have two hands, so you still need to carry stuff. This is where this comes in. So I have got some screws here, and let's see, I can just take them, put them here, and keep adding them like this. And the magnets are so strong. See, they don't even budge a little, no matter how much I try. So this, I really liked it. Let's see, is this metal? Yep. So what else is metal? Is this metal? Yep. So anything metal will go here. See, so use it and do the work. So I thought it was really handy gadget, and especially for workers, I think it's really cool. And you can attach multiple things here. I think mostly it is useful for screws. I just attached USB flash drive for nothing, but I really liked it. The idea is really neat. When you are limited with space, you can easily take advantage and attach multiple screws here and nuts here, so that you can easily take them off and then attach them back. So really nice when you are working alone. Really good use of space. You don't even feel like it. So yeah, if you're interested, I will leave the link in my video description. Let me know what you think of it. Take care. Bye.